Let me show you one small AI win that can save you time and takes less than 2 minutes. This uses a free AI tool called ChatGPT. No upgrades, no tech skills. If you can type a sentence, you can do this. Most of us don't waste time doing work. We waste time trying to figure out how to say something. Emails, texts, work messages. Let's make that easier. Open ChatGPT and type this exact sentence. Rewrite this clearly and politely. I'm running late today, but will finish my work by end of day. That's it. Press enter. ChatGPT gives you a clean, professional message in seconds. No stress, no overthinking, just done. This works for emails, texts, and work messages, anything you write regularly. And moments like this add up. That's how you save time and stay relevant. And here's the fun part. You've officially started. You're not behind. You're not late. You're warming up. If that felt easier than you expected, good. That's how this works. Subscribe to the channel and come back soon. You're not trying to learn everything. You're just getting a little better each time. And we'll take the next step together.